Weaker morning erections usually come down to one thing: blood flow. And there's a simple 3-minute habit, done right after waking, that helps restore circulation and improve erection response naturally. No pills. No extremes. Just a structured morning reset most men never learn. But the body responds to quickly when it's done right. And stay to the end, because I'll reveal one small add-on that can dramatically amplify this effect and accelerate blood flow response when combined with this routine. Before we get into the 3-minute habit, share your experience in the comments. How do you usually feel in the morning? Energized, sluggish, or somewhere in between? And if you know someone dealing with erection challenges, share this with them. It could genuinely help. Now, let me show you exactly how this works. Minute 1. Breathing plus upright posture. Stand up beside your bed. Feet flat. Spine tall, not stiff. Shoulders relaxed. Chest open. Head level, not tilted down at your phone. Now breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds and let the air move deep into your belly, not just your chest. Hold for 2 seconds. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds, letting the shoulders drop. Repeat this pattern slowly and deliberately. To do it correctly, keep the breathing quiet and controlled, not forceful. Let the jaw stay relaxed and the tongue rest naturally. Allow the stomach to expand on the inhale and fall on the exhale. Do not rush the timing, because slow breathing is what triggers vascular response. Maintain upright posture so the lungs can fully expand and circulation can respond properly. Keep your attention on the breathing rhythm rather than distractions. One important detail most men miss. Do this before caffeine, before checking your phone, and before sitting down. Those habits immediately shift blood flow toward the brain and stress pathways, while this exercise is meant to first activate full body circulation, especially toward the lower body and pelvic region. Also, consistency matters more than perfection. The goal isn't one powerful breath. The goal is repeating this pattern every morning, so the vessels relearn responsiveness. Over time, the body begins to associate waking with circulation activation. This shifts the body out of sleep mode and activates the autonomic nervous system. Heart rate stabilizes. Oxygen delivery improves. Blood vessels begin to open. And that's the goal here, not intensity, but circulation. Clinical breathing research over the past decade has shown that slow, controlled nasal breathing can increase peripheral circulation and vascular responsiveness by roughly 15 to 25% within minutes, particularly in morning state measurements. Within seconds, blood flow starts redistributing from the core toward the extremities and pelvic region. You may notice warmth in the chest, face, lower abdomen, or even a subtle heaviness in the groin area. That's a positive sign. It means vascular pathways connected to erection function are being activated early in the day rather than remaining dormant. In terms of results, some men notice improved warmth, responsiveness, or stronger morning sensations within the first few days. More consistent changes in erection quality typically appear within 2 to 4 weeks as blood vessels become more responsive and nerve signaling improves. The most stable, long-term improvements tend to build over 6 to 8 weeks of daily practice, especially when combined with the next steps in this routine. Beyond erection support, this also helps lower morning blood pressure spikes, reduce cortisol, improve lung efficiency, sharpen mental clarity, stabilize heart rhythm, enhance nitric oxide release, support lymphatic flow, improve stress tolerance, increase energy regulation, and improve sleep-wake transition, all from 1 minute of controlled breathing. And here's the key. Breathing wakes the system up, but movement is what pushes blood where it actually needs to go. If you skip the next minute, the signal stops halfway. So now, let's activate the lower body, because this is where circulation to the pelvic region truly begins. Minute 2, lower body activation. Now engage the legs. Heel raises, slow squats, or marching in place. Nothing intense, just controlled movement. The lower body acts like a mechanical pump for circulation. When the calves and thighs contract, they push blood back toward the heart and redirect fresh flow downward into the pelvic region. This improves vascular filling where erection function begins. That's why men who stay seated right after waking often notice weaker morning response. The circulatory system stays in rest mode, and blood flow never fully shifts downward. Movement restores that flow pattern. Do it slowly and deliberately. Keep your breathing steady. Feel the legs working, not straining. The goal is activation, not fatigue. Within seconds, you may notice warmth in the thighs, a light pulse in the lower abdomen, or a sense of pressure shifting downward. Those are circulation cues, signs that blood is moving where it needs to go. Research in vascular and rehabilitation medicine shows that light lower body activation can increase lower extremity blood flow by 20 to 40% within minutes, which directly supports pelvic circulation and erectile response pathways. I once worked with a patient in his early 60s who had normal lab results, but kept reporting weaker morning erections and slower response. He assumed it was aging. Nothing else. We introduced only this step: 1 minute of lower body activation right after waking, before coffee or sitting. In the first few days, he noticed increased warmth and sensitivity in the lower body. By the end of the first week, morning awareness began returning. Around weeks 2 to 3, erection firmness and responsiveness improved more consistently. And by about a month of daily repetition, the change felt stable rather than occasional. What changed wasn't hormones. It wasn't medication. It was circulation timing. His body simply started receiving the signal to move blood where it mattered, every single morning. Consistency is what builds results. Some men notice subtle changes within days, clearer improvement within 1 to 3 weeks, and more reliable erection quality after 4 to 6 weeks as vascular responsiveness strengthens. And here's the part most people don't expect. Breathing wakes the system. Leg movement drives the blood. But the next minute is what trains the exact muscles and nerve pathways responsible for erection strength. This is where the real change begins. Minute 3, pelvic blood flow priming. This brings us to the final part of the 3-minute routine to practice every morning. Now bring attention to the pelvic area. Gently contract the pelvic floor muscles. Hold for 3 seconds. Release slowly. Repeat this in a calm, steady rhythm. This is not forceful. It's controlled activation. You're stimulating the exact vascular and nerve pathways involved in erection function, the same muscles responsible for rigidity, blood trapping, and response control. Do it correctly by focusing on a gentle lift, not a squeeze. The lower abdomen stays relaxed, breathing continues naturally, and the contraction stays isolated to the pelvic floor, the same muscles you would use to stop urine flow. Within a few repetitions, many men notice subtle heaviness, warmth, or a mild pulsing sensation in the lower abdomen or groin. That's a positive signal. It means circulation is responding and nerve communication is active. Pelvic activation like this has been used for years in urology and rehabilitation medicine, with studies showing improvements in erectile rigidity and control when practiced consistently over several weeks. In terms of results, some men notice increased awareness and responsiveness within the first few days. Early changes in firmness and control often appear within 2 to 3 weeks as nerve signaling improves. More reliable erection strength typically develops between weeks 4 to 6. And the most stable, long-term improvements tend to build over 8 to 12 weeks of daily practice. Breathing prepared the nervous system. Leg movement pushed blood into the region. This final step trains the body to hold and use that blood effectively. This is where erection quality is actually built, not just triggered. And now, this leads directly to the bonus I mentioned at the beginning. Because there's one small addition, done in under a minute, that can significantly amplify this entire routine and accelerate blood flow response when combined with these 3 steps. Most men skip it, but the ones who add it tend to notice faster, stronger changes. Let's get into that bonus. Here's the bonus that accelerates everything you just practiced. Cold water activation. Right after the 3-minute routine, run cool or cold water over the lower abdomen and inner thighs for 30 to 60 seconds. Not ice. Not extreme. Just cold enough to feel the body react. This triggers a rapid vascular response. Blood vessels briefly constrict, then reopen wider. circulation rebounds stronger, nerve alertness increases, and blood flow to the pelvic region becomes more responsive throughout the morning. In vascular therapy, this is called a contrast activation effect. The body reacts to the temperature change by improving vessel elasticity and blood movement. When combined with the breathing, leg activation, and pelvic engagement you just did, this acts like a final signal to lock the process in. Men who add this step often report stronger morning awareness, faster erection response, improved firmness over time, and better sensitivity and control. Some feel the difference in the first week as alertness and circulation improve. More noticeable changes in erection quality usually build over 2 to 4 weeks, with stronger long-term effects appearing after consistent daily use. The key is consistency, not intensity. You're not forcing erections. You're retraining circulation. You're restoring responsiveness. 3 minutes of activation. 1 minute of cold stimulus. That combination tells the body every morning, wake up, move blood, stay responsive. And when that pattern repeats daily, the effect compounds. If this breakdown is helping you understand what's really happening inside your body, tap like, subscribe, and share where you're watching from in the comments. This channel is built around practical, medically grounded strategies that support real physiological change, not trends, not shortcuts, and not quick fixes. Let me leave you with this. Erection changes are not a personal failure. They're feedback from the circulatory system, and circulation can be improved. Not overnight, but predictably. Men who tend to benefit most from this routine are those who sit for long hours, men over 40, men noticing slower response, and those who want to rebuild a natural foundation before considering medications or other interventions. Start with 3 minutes. Stay consistent. Give your body time to respond. Because when blood flow improves, confidence returns with it. And that's where real, lasting progress begins.